Your supplier skips one validation step, one missing record in one file. Guess whose audit finding that becomes? Exactly, yours, not theirs, yours. For years, MedTech quality teams have told me the same thing. Our suppliers are excellent at making parts. They just don't understand our requirements. So your team explains, reviews, chases again and again. We have been building something that ends this cycle. In the next 6 minutes, I will show you exactly what it is and how you can get access before it officially launches. Hi, I'm Simon from SIFo Medical. No tutorial today. This is a first look at Suppliance, our new supplier development platform. What it is, who it's built for, and why the waitlist is open right now. Let's be honest about what supplier management actually looks like. Problem number one, you inherit their gaps. When a supplier skips a validation step or delivers an incomplete certificate, the finding doesn't land in their audit, it lands in yours. And the delay lands in your project plan. Problem number two, your team is the free hotline, explaining sample sizes, test method validation, and documentation requirements to every new supplier. This eats hours. Hours your engineers should spend on your own products. And 6 months later, the next supplier asks exactly the same questions. Problem number three, documentation arrives half finished. Missing calibration records, wrong material certificates, incomplete dimensional reports. In my experience, more than half of the supplier documentation packages I review are incomplete on first submission. Every one of them means another review loop, another email chain, another delayed release. And here's the thing, none of this is a supplier problem, it's a system problem. Most suppliers are excellent in making parts. They are just not MedTech people. Nobody ever taught them what ISO 13485, process validation, or complete first article submission actually require. And nobody built a system to teach them. So we did. It's called Suppliance. The name says it, supplier plus compliance. Suppliance is a supplier development platform. One place where your suppliers get trained, get their questions answered by an expert, and get their documentation checked before anything lands on your desk. Your suppliers train themselves. Their questions get answered live every week and documentation arrives complete. That's the promise. So how does it actually work? 3 pillars. Pillar number one, training. You get a training portal with your logo and your design. Your suppliers log in and work through proven courses, be it on test method validation, be it process validation, be it MedTech documentation requirements, at their own pace. To them, it's your supplier academy. For you, it means suppliers learn exactly what you need them to know and your team never explains basics again. Pillar number two, weekly live mentoring. Once a week, your suppliers bring their real questions to a live online session with me. Concrete answers on their actual projects, not theory. Think group coaching for suppliers, while your engineers stay focused on your products and problems surface before they reach your incoming inspection. Pillar number three, AI document review. Supplier documentation gets an AI review against your requirements before it reaches you. Gaps, missing records, and inconsistencies are flagged while the supplier can still fix them. You review complete submission instead of chasing incomplete ones. Now I'm pretty sure some of you are already asking, what about our data? Fair question. Your supplier documents stay in your own environment. We never access them. Hosted in Austria, never used to train public AI models, never shared with third parties. Full stop. If you are already thinking, I want this for my suppliers, well, the waitlist is open right now. Link in the description. It takes 2 minutes, costs nothing, commits you to nothing. For everyone else, let me tell you who's actually behind this. I have spent more than 50 years auditing supplier files, over 40 supplier audits across Europe and Asia, more than 35 manufacturers and suppliers advised, everything from class 1 up to class 3. I built a GMP manufacturing site in Shenzhen, China from the ground up, so I know exactly where suppliers struggle with MedTech requirements, from both sides of the table. As a TÜV Süd Academy trainer, I train QA and RA professionals worldwide in validation and applied statistics. The courses inside Suppliance are that same material, made accessible for your suppliers. Good. Here's the part that makes this a real first look and not a product ad. Suppliance is being built right now. And that's exactly why the waitlist matters. Everyone on the list gets 3 things. Early access, before the official launch, product updates as we build, and this is the big one, a direct say in what we build first. You tell us your biggest supplier headache and we build the platform around it. It's as simple as that. If you want to go one step further, pilot partners onboard their suppliers before launch, pay special conditions, and directly shape which courses and features come first. The waitlist is open until August 31st, 2026. Remember where we started. Your supplier's missing validation step becoming your audit finding. That cycle doesn't end because your team works harder. It ends when your suppliers finally get a system that brings them to your compliance level without your team carrying it. So here's what I want you to do. Click the first link in the description and join the Suppliance waitlist. It's a 2-minute form, it's free, and there is zero commitment. You get early access and you get to tell us exactly what to build for you. PS, the form asks one question I would love your answers to. What is your biggest supplier headache right now? That answer directly shapes what we build first.